What if I told you that India's national flag was officially adopted before independence? But why was it adopted before 15 August 1947? And what is the hidden meaning of the 24 spokes in the Ashoka Chakra? Stay with me till the end because I answer both questions. Hello everyone, welcome back to Global Festival Explorer. Today we are celebrating India's National Flag Adoption Day, observed every year on 22 July. So let's discover the amazing story behind our beautiful Tiranga. On 22 July 1947, the Constituent Assembly officially adopted the Tiranga as Indian national flag. This happened before India became independent on 15th August 1947. Our national flag has three beautiful colors. Safari stands for courage and significance. White stands for peace and truth. Green stands for growth, hope, and prosperity. But wait, why does the Ashok Chakra have exactly 24 spokes? Why, why not 20 or even 30? The answer is coming in next a moment. At the center of our national flag is the blue Ashok Chakra with 24 spokes. These 24 spokes remind us to keep moving forward with honesty, justice, and hard work. They respect, they continue, progress, and value the help a nation grow. The design of Indian national flag is based on the work of Pingali Venkayya, who contributed while always be remembered. Now let's answer our first question. Why was the Tiranga adopted before independence? Because India wanted his official national flag to be ready before becoming an independent nation on 15th August 1947. That's why it officially adopted on 22 July 1947, and that's why 22 July is such a proud day in India's history. Do you already know these facts about our Tiranga? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Global Festival Explorer for more amazing facts and national celebration from around the world. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.